Warm up, you're going to get 5 minutes, 6 minutes to do the warm up. Homework worksheet 2-1 evens front and back is going to be due on Wednesday. Okay. Front and back. All right, 5 minutes. Okay, the first step to solving this is I want you to highlight the angle. So we have angle 4, right? So here's angle 4. It looks something like this. Okay, where do those two lines meet up? At B. So that would be the vertex. Is that right? Why is that wrong? It's a point. It's a point. Points don't need symbols. It needs to be capital. I know. It needs to be capitalized. All right, number 4. This is one everyone had trouble with. We have B, D, C. Okay, which two line segments did we just highlight there? DB, so line segment DB is the first one. The other line segment is DC. No, you in my class. Valeria. I heard you crunching them from all the way over here. I bet you are. All right. Write another name for DBC. DBC. So, which number is sandwiched in there? Angle 3. There's another answer. What's the other answer? CBD. Okay. So, a right angle. How many degrees is a right angle? Exactly 90 degrees. An acute angle is going to be less than 90. And an obtuse angle is going to be more than 90. But less than 180. I'm not going to worry about the last part. That rarely comes up. MPR. MPR. Does that look like it's more than 90 degrees? Or let me finish. Does that look like it's be more than 90 degrees or less than 90 degrees or exactly 90 degrees? More. Therefore, it is a obtuse angle. Next one. I'm going to highlight it in red this time. RPN. R to P to N. What type of angle is that? That is a right angle. How do you guys know? It's a little box right here. This little box right here means it's 90 degrees every single time. So that's going to be called a right angle. NPS. N. Let me do this one in purple. N to P to S. Is that less than, greater than, or equal to 90 degrees? Less than, so that means a acute. Obtuse. All right. Our teak for today is the same as the teak from yesterday. We're actually building to this teak. We're not quite there yet. Construct congruent segments, congruent angles, a segmental bisector, an angle bisector, perpendicular lines, perpendicular bisector of a line segment and a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line using a compass and a straight edge. Your LO for today is I will identify, name, and describe measurements of angles. All right, I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes, or 4 minutes, to write all of this on page 45 of your ISN. It is off of your homework, yes, but I want you to write it in your journal too. All right, we're starting again. Okay, so first step, you need to highlight your angle. NPMP. N M NMP. Okay, what type of angle is that? It is a right angle, you know, because of that square right there. Yeah. Raise your hand when you think you know the answer. How many degrees do you think that's going to be? All right, John, how many degrees do you think that's going to be? 90 degrees. Good job. All right, what's our first step? We want to highlight Q M. Oh, let me highlight a different color. Q M N. So this red angle right here. This right angle right here. You think it's an obtuse angle? So can it be 40 degrees if it's an obtuse angle? Don't yell out the answer. We're working on this right now. So, this is an obtuse angle. We know that for a fact. Now, do not yell out the answer. Raise your hand when you think you know it, except for you, because I already know you know it. Okay? How many degrees do you think this angle here, this red angle from here to here, is going to be? Raise your hand when you think you know the answer. And you have to explain how you know it now. Okay, do you want a hint? Because no one's getting it. Do you think you know what it is? What do you think it is? Nope. What do you think it is? Mm-hmm. You are 100. Good job. Great job. You're 100% correct. 2 points doesn't count. Okay. So, listen to me. Let's pretend we have a piece of pizza. We have half a piece of pizza, right? Who wants to be my pizza eater? All right. Brianna is going to be our pizza eater. Brianna takes a 40-degree slice out, this 40-degree slice out of pizza, right? So, how many degrees is a straight line? 180 degrees. Minus, how many degrees did Joanna eat? 40 degrees. Oh, right, Brianna, I'm sorry. All right, how many degrees? So, 180, take away 40 degrees of pizza. How many pizza are you left over with? 140 degrees. Excellent job. I'm impressed. All right. Are we ready to move on to the next one? Okay. I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes to write all of this down. Okay. So in the figure, AC is a straight angle. That means it's 180 degrees. BD bisects, that means splits this next angle in half. BD splits EBC in half. That's what bisect means. So that means whatever this one is, this one's the same. We got split in half. I'm not going to worry about this part. This is for you guys on your homework. If EBD BD. If this angle here is 40 degrees, how many degrees does angle DBC have to be? How many people, okay, how many people think it's going to be 80 degrees? Raise your hand if you think it's 80 degrees. You raised your hand too. How many people think it's going to be 40 degrees? Raise your hand. How many people think it's going to be 2 degrees? Okay. Don't say it out loud. Okay. Let's think about this for a second. We have our slice of pizza. We bisected it, so we split it in half. Let's say we're sharing our pizza, okay? If the slice of pizza I got was 40 degrees, and we know we split that slice in half, right? Let me rephrase that. We take this big slice of pizza, we split the big slice into 2 smaller halves, right? One of the smaller halves I got was 40 degrees. How big does the other half have to be? 40, because they both have to be the same. When you cut something in half, it's equal on both sides, right? It's equal on both of these sides. So this is 40 degrees. All right, EBD. EBD. Hey, look, we already have that answer. All right, I'm going to add a new one in here. Measurement of EBC. How many degrees is that going to be? EBC. Okay. Guys. It's going to be 80 degrees. Why? Because 40 plus 40 equals 80. All right, moving on to the next one. All right, this is the last problem. You need to write this in your ISN. I'm going to give you guys 4 minutes. No, it's different. Yeah. In figure BA and BC, they are opposite rays. BD, just like before, bisects EBC. So we have this bisected. We know EBD is 4x plus 16. We know DBC is 6x plus 4. We want to find the measurement of EBD. So we have the measurement of EBD is equal to 4x plus 16. Okay, we need to figure out what x is equal to. We know we have this slice of pizza right here. This slice of pizza sliced equally in half. One of the halves is this equation. The other half is this equation. They should be the same. So 4x plus 16 is the same as or equal to 6x plus 4. Solve for x. We need to get the x's all to one side, so I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. This is 0, so we have Okay. Do I care about this 0 right here? So I'm going to get rid of that guy. 16 is equal to 2x plus 4. Minus 4 on both sides. And we get 12 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 6. Good job. Oh, not 16. Just 6. Raise your hand if you think that's the answer. Raise your hand if you don't think that's the answer. Why is that not the answer? Because you're looking for a measurement, right? And we found what x is equal to. X is not a measurement. We need to plug x into this equation right here. So we have the measurement of EBD is equal to 4x plus 16. 4x was what? Plus 16. We just plugged it in. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 16, 40 is equal to the measurement of EBD. There we go. We're done. Just kidding. I was seeing if I was going to pick up. That's not right. Why is that not right? What do you say? I forgot my degrees. Don't forget your degrees. If it's a measurement, it has degrees. I thought as much.